Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I didn't realize that I didn't have a video showing all the spoilers so far for the July BoxyCharm Premium Box. So that's all we're doing here. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing scary TikToks. Yeah, that's right. If I gotta watch them, y'all are gonna watch them too. Well, thank you so much, Charlene Cummings. Charlene says, thank you for all of your great videos. Thank you for watching those videos, Charlene. I wouldn't be doing these if it weren't for y'all, and I couldn't be more grateful. And honey, thank you so much for having your bell set and coming and watching the video with me, because it was a scary one. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. And you never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned until the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, whenever we do have full spoilers, I will go ahead and upload a video like that. But usually whenever I'm uploading through the month, whenever they're spitting spoilers out here and there, I just upload the latest spoiler because I try to get them out in a rush. You know what I mean? So I'm going to go ahead and just do one video. That way I can link this under each one of the new videos that I do revealing new spoilers. That way everybody's got some video to go look at that shows all of the spoilers that we've gotten so far. And again, this is for the July BoxyCharm Premium Box. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing, everyone will be receiving the Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Face and Eye Palette. Now, of course, I'm pretty sure y'all know who Manny MUA is, and I know y'all know who Morphe is. So this is a really beautiful palette. I can't wait to see what everybody thinks about it. Now next up was the choice items. If you remember these, I think, is it Canao Beauty, something like that. You will either be receiving, or if you got to choose, you chose one of these, either the Set and Define Kit, or the Canao Beauty Blush and Shine Kit, or the Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit, the Drama Queen. This palette, guide. This palette, y'all, is absolutely gorgeous. For some reason, it reminds me of that Milani palette. What was it? Is it the gold palette or something? I can't remember what it is. I got the palette, but that's what this reminds me of. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So again, those were the 3 choice items. Now, if you didn't get to choose, you will be receiving one of those palettes. Now, next up is the skin stuff. So the first one is the Lord Jones CBD Body Lotion. Now, there's 2 different kinds. There's a scented one, and there is one that is unscented. So I'm pretty sure those are going to be variations between that and this one. This is the Biro Bitter Green Essence Toner, and also probably another variation between this, the Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. So guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments. Again, these are the items that we have so far for the July BoxyCharm Premium Box. And if you didn't get to choose, or if you did choose, let us know which one you picked between the choice items, and let us know what items do you want to receive between the skin items. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Brittany Collins. Brittany says, I love these creepy stuff. Hey Mandy, hope all is well. Well, Brittany, honey, I've had a bit of bad luck here lately, but you know what? We'll get into that in a video later on. I've always got bad luck, so, But other than that, we are healthy, we're doing fine, and I really appreciate you coming and watching this video with me, baby, because that was so scary. Thank you so much, Brittany. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but y'all only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.